Let's go Honus Wagner hunting. Welcome back to MojoBreak.com, everybody. My name is Jacob. Today we're going to be breaking 2023 Top Series 2 Hobby 6-box break. This is going to be PYT number 30. PYT number 30. I'll go ahead and start by reading off the full list of teams and names, and we will get right into it. Got Ray with the D-backs, Douglas with the Braves, Lisa with the Orioles, Red Sox. That's Michael with the Red Sox, MJ with the Cubs, BCL with the White Sox. Gone Fishing with the Reds, BCL. Guardians, J. Potter, Rockies. Rufus, Tigers. T. Crenshaw with the Astros, BCL. Royals. Can with the Angels. J. Money with the Dodgers, G. Storms. Marlins, Yankees. Tyler with the Brewers. Torville with the Twins. Jawatech, Mets. Robert with the A's. J. Church, Phillies. Damon with the Pirates. Good luck, Damon, in the chat. Bryant with the Padres. Ben with the Giants. Contact with the Mariners. Bad with the Cardinals. Sue with the Rays. The real Steve Gilbert with the Rangers. Chris with the Blue Jays. And BCL again with the Nationals. All right, everybody, here we go. Good luck. This is a 6-box break. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Let's go Honus Wagner hunting. Good luck. Good luck. By the way, if you guys are interested in any more breaks, we do have a Bowman full case break. Bowman full case break. We also have a Topps Heritage full case break. 2 more baseball breaks if you guys are interested. Links are near the bottom of the chat. Both breaks have been heavily discounted, by the way. If you guys are interested, go check it out. Link is near the bottom of the chats. Also, I am opening personals if anybody is interested still. Link for personals is near the top of the chats. Multiple boxes have been discounted. Open Impeccable earlier. That was pretty fun. Had a nice Impeccable box. Got a Sauce Gardner patch auto. Got a LT Lawrence Taylor auto. There's a good mix of sports in that. There's not just football. There's basketball. There's football. There's Spider-Verse products. Topps Chrome Star Wars. A ton of different products we have. If you guys are interested in opening personals, link is at the top of the chat. I can open those anytime for you guys. But yeah, we only have 2 more breaks after this. Go check it out. Links are near the bottom if you guys are interested. Full case of Bowman Hobby and a full case of Topps Heritage. Like I said, they both have been discounted multiple times. Go check out that link. Also, if you guys have not already, go subscribe to Mojo Break Baseball and Mojo Break Media. Currently trying to build up our secondary channel. Just hit 388 earlier today on Mojo Break Baseball. Thank you guys all for the continued supports. Let's keep it up. We are almost to 400, actually. Topps Heritage is the break that is scheduled next, by the way. So if you guys are interested in ripping Topps Heritage, as soon as we're done with this break, we can actually get right into that Topps Heritage. That break was filling up, so if you guys are interested, I would get in before your team sells out. That break is filling up. All right, everybody, with that being said, let's get into it. This is, again, box 1 of 6. This is PYT number 30, everybody. PYT number 30.
You only got one more break?
Me? 2 more. Yeah. You out of paper? Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Box number 1. Good luck. Honus Wagner hunting. Here we go. Taylor Walls, Austin Barnes, Jesus or Gene Segura, Keegan Aiken, Craig Kimbrell. There's an Aaron Judge throwback. Brandon Belts, AJ Pollock, Logan Webb. There's a Jazz Chisholm Jr. home run challenge. Royce Lewis, Max Meyer. Anthony Volpe, rookie card for the Yankees. All right. Also, good luck, Michael in the chat. Good luck. There's a Dalton Guthrie rookie card for the Phillies. That's a silver foil. Here's a Tony Gwynn, Legends of the Game, Padres. Yoshida rookie card base for the Red Sox. Man, speaking of Yoshida, I pulled that 1 of 1 out of 3 and 2 of him. That product is super fun to open. If you guys are interested in more Panini 3 and 2, I think we actually have some personal boxes of that if you guys are interested. What up?
Random team.
2?
For tomorrow.
Oh, for tomorrow. Okay.
I also changed the link. Sorry, put random team 1 for the time being, and then I just put.
Oh, I saw the. You talking about a Nightbot? Don't even worry. I just I activated the other 2 breaks that I have, but I disabled the random team 2 for if I don't even know if I'm doing it tomorrow. Okay.
If we're both working this upcoming Tuesday.
Yeah. I won't put one for if we're ripping the same
We
thing.
can actually break more this Tuesday if I run.
Okay.
I think you'll be able to at least get one break.
I'm down. Yeah, that's a good idea. I would be down to do 5 breaks. All right. 3 and 2. I agree, Damon. 3 and 2 has been super fun. All right, here we go. Cordy Kluber. There's a gold border for the Red Sox. Carson Kelly. Yeah, I've ripped a pretty good amount of 3 and 2. Had a good run so far. Like I said, Yogi Berra got a game worn Yogi Berra patch, game worn Ted Williams patch, Mr. 400. Had a David Ortiz patch auto. There's a Gunnar Henderson rookie card for the Orioles. That is a throwback rookie. Who else did I pull? Yeah, but nonetheless, if you guys are interested in seeing some crazy pulls from 3 and 2, by the way. Hey, what's up, Michael? Good luck in this break, man. Good luck. Yeah, go follow my Instagram, Mojo Break Jake, just like it sounds. Post most of the crazy hits we get over there. There's an Aaron Judge, favorite sons. California kid. There's Arson Judge. Good old Arson. There's that first half. Yeah, I thought Aaron Judge was coming to the Giants, and they decided to pull the rug out from under us. I was. Don't remind me. Oh God. I'm a A's and Giants fan, but I mean I call myself a free agent because I'm not really happy with either. I'm a free agent, but I'm an A's Giants guy. What's not okay is what either teamer's doing.
What, it's not okay
I don't even.
that the Giants are on a 9-game winning streak?
No, it's not okay that I don't know. I'm just not a fan of the GM. I think some of the decisions he did.
How does that work?
What?
You say you're a free agent?
I'm a free agent. I mean, I'm looking for other teams to be a fan of. There's a banger Corbin Carroll D-backs. Ray team color match as well. Damn.
Oh, Gone Fishing's here. What's going on, Michael? What's going on, Damon? What's going on?
Out of 199 D-backs. Red color match. Damn, look at that red foil board. Congratulations to Ray again. That was one of the last teams taken, by the way. You guys are sleeping.
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 Sorry, I'm just curious.
All good, bro.
Data purposes. Right?
All good, all good. Yeah, it could have been just pretty slow over here anyway. There's a Jordan Walker base. Damn, that Carroll is nice. Casey Mize, Alec Manoah, Dylan Carlson, Cardinals.
Dude, I was breaking so much of that hockey.
Uh-huh.
My hand started bleeding.
Oh, my. It makes your hands hella dry, huh?
Dude, it wasn't dry either. Like, my
Really?
hand doesn't look dry, at least, but my hand started bleeding.
Dude, Tops made me, look at my thumb right here real quick. Like,
Oh,
it
dude, yeah, I
it
see
like,
that all the time.
caught on my thing, and it was literally during the stream it started bleeding, so that was bad. But, patched it up.
Dude.
Brian Reynolds. There's a Ryan Creedler out of 300 for the Tigers. Rookie card for the Tiger spot.
Diamondbacks, you just can't let them.
Diamondbacks still available in Bowman, by the way.
You can't let them slip, y'all.
Nah. Yeah, man, they were super heavily discounted this time. For real. All right, Craig Biggio. Game used relic. Bat relic Astros.
I turned around. By the time I hit something nice, oh, look at your team. Jaquez Jr.
Yeah, hey, they were discounted. That's probably the best base out of his base parallels. That's for sure the best parallel of Corbin Carroll I've hit. That red foil board. That was a super nice looking card. Damn, for real. Roberto Clemente, Tristan Casas. Dylan Cease and a Dansby Swanson. It's closing out that box, right? I don't know. I feel like he's having a really good season. I feel like the D-backs are such an up-and-coming franchise. A lot of young players, a lot of hype going to be around them in the coming years. You could make a case for either. I could definitely see people holding Corbin Carroll. He's playing really well right now too, but totally up to you guys, obviously. But I don't know. I've heard people are doing both. Corbin Carroll. They are up and coming team, you know. D-backs. Zach Gallen is an ace, man. He's a stud.
Yeah, they're gonna fold again.
The D-backs.
They're like a Rocky. They do really good, and at the end, when it matters, they just fold.
I'm talking about like in the next 5 years, I could see them being a playoff team, really good, having a really good run too. I don't know. Drew Jones, got to see how he holds up, obviously, but still got Ketel Marte. Yeah, they. No, you're right about that. Actually, you're right. One of the best postseason pitchers ever. My favorite Giant, actually, Madison Bumgarner. Him or Lincecum. Probably him. Also a big Brian Wilson guy.
Yelling at Larry Bear.
I know he's. I don't know. These days, people don't even know who he is anymore. It feels like. But hey, during those World Series years, he was something special. That's for sure.
He won one.
He was a show in and of itself. That's what I mean. He was something special.
He definitely was.
Mad Bum was the real deal, though, for sure. Mad Bum was the real deal. Don't get more clutch than him. Much more clutch, at least.
All right, who's gonna watch Jake do his 100 push-ups that he promised he'd do once they sell out, right?
I'll do 25 after this, best I can. If Heritage is sold out by the time I'm done with this, I'll do 25. There's 10 people in the chat. You heard it here. Sell out Heritage. I'll do 25 push-ups right behind us. I'll tilt the camera down for you guys.
$9 for this team? Yeah, we're about to see this happen.
Hey, discounted before I started this break. Go look at it. Go check out Heritage.
How many teams you got left?
12.
12.
Probably, yeah. It's filling up fast. Heritage. Someone's got to remind me, though, but I will do that if you guys are interested. Go fill it up. If it's sold out by the time we're done with this. Alec Burleson. Corbin Carroll, base rookie. Wilmer Flores. All aces insert Marcus Stroman for the Cubs. That's a good question because they are tainted after all, right? You'd think so, at least. You'd think they'd be tainted, the Jose Altuve. So is that MVP trophy, though. That one's definitely. That could have been a Judge MVP season, man. That would have been a great look for Judge instead of Altuve. But what are you going to do? That was years ago at this point. Still salty about it, though. Can't lie. I just for AL teams in general, man, the Astros just killed seasons, killed careers, it feels like. Ruined a bunch of stuff. Carlos Perez. Luke Voigt's silver foil. Luke Voigt. Shohei Ohtani World Baseball Classic insert. Francisco Alvarez, Dakota Hudson. Jordan Walker, rookie card base for the Cardinals. Alek Manoah, Jonathan India, Kodai Senga, Rafi Devers. Mitch Keller, Casey Mize, Austin Riley. Jesus Luzardo, orange foil board for the Marlins. That's my guy, Jesus, by the way. Out of 2023 for the Nationals. Stone Garrett's, Matt Olson. Drew Waters, J.D. Davis, Willie Castro. All right. Padres getting a Juan Soto Silver Slugger Award winner out of 399, by the way. Congratulations. Let me get some top loaders, fresh top loaders, actually. They're not shopping him?
That's like the best news I've heard.
That's kind of surprising, dude. Feels like they would shop him. Okay, this is going to be 130 points. Give me 1 second, you guys.
We wouldn't have gotten squat. Value for him. Yeah, we're getting him back. Now we don't have him at all. We're getting him back.
We actually need him. We need Dre. We need Dre.
He's not coming back.
He is.
Who said that? Definitely not.
He's coming back. He's coming back. Hey,
That's why I said we should have when we could have.
there we go. Juan Soto out of 399 Padres spots. Brian?
The same way as if you lost to somebody else. It's over.
Cole Irvin. Bo Naylor rookie throwback. Kevin Biggio. All right, closing out that half. Nobody's going to offer him. Nobody's even going to offer him a ton of money. That's the thing. Nobody's going to offer Draymond a ton of money. There's no chance. Yeah. Tony Kemp. Christian Walker. Keegan Aiken, Craig Kimbrell. Cade Cavalli, rookie. Javi Assad. Robinson. Logan Webb. There's a home run challenge showtime for the Angels. Another one of the last teams taken. Long Beach All-Stars. What's that? Volpe rookie card. Yankees.
We're gonna have to do it somewhere else. I just never wanted to be GM.
Hey, if there's a team to be a GM for, it's probably easiest to be the Warriors, though.
Yeah, tell it to my
Maybe not easy, because Draymond still, but I mean, hey, man, unlimited funds we got damn near, feels like.
Yeah, dude.
Whit Merrifield.
Shout out Dumpling Time for funding Curry's contract.
Dumpling time. Shout out Rakuten.
Yeah, shout out Rackton. What?
I got some nice jackets from Rakuten, actually. There's a Jeremy Pena World Baseball Classics blue for the Astros. Dr. Dre and Snoop, oh yeah. I seen Snoop Dogg hoop. He's aight. He aight. Jordan Diaz. Speaking of, I heard speaking of LA basketball, I heard Kyrie Irving's going to be competing in the Drew League. Hey, RTO, I am not actually. $10. Hey, Greg, are you doing? No, you're leaving, huh? C-Rad must be doing Hit Parade, huh?
He's doing hip hop.
Okay, yeah. RTO, C-Rad is going to be doing Hit Parade. I think he goes live. He might be live already right now, but yeah, it's going to be on the main. Okay. Yeah, they're not live quite yet, but after the podcast is over, they're going to be on the main channel. See you, Greg. Yeah, not on this channel. It'll be on the main channel, actually. There's a Tommy Henry silver foil for the D-backs to go with that Corbin Carroll red. Matt Wallner. Logan O'Hop rookie. Miles Straw. There's a Joe Ryan. Edwin Diaz. Roberto Clemente. Legends of the game. Inserts and a Brendan Davis. All right, here we go. Silver pack. Paul Molitor, Garrett Cole, Roger Clemens, and a Adrian Beltre. Come on, man. Not even one rookie. Come on now. All right, here we go, everybody. Box number 3. Good luck, good luck. Okay, let me take a look for you. Give me 1 second, my friend. I got you. Okay, RTO, which... I need to know, though, which Hit Parade, which number? Let me see. Is he doing multiple? Actually, it looks like it's only one hit parade. All right, so it's actually scheduled for 6:15 to break at 6:15. It's already sold out. I know he has a couple breaks scheduled before that, though, so depending on if he's breaking something during, but it should break at or around 6:15. It is sold out, and that will be on the main channel. And that will be 6:15 Pacific Standard Times. Yeah, also should be in your invoice email as well. But yeah, if you should break at or around 6:15 Pacific Standard Time. It is sold out, actually, so don't have to worry about any more spots filling in, at least.
No, seriously, are we in Standard Time?
We are in Pacific. You can see the Pacific Coast from here.
No. Daylight savings time.
Oh, are we? Are we actually?
Yeah, March the 12th, 23 to November 5th, 23 is daylight savings time.
Okay, but that we're still in Pacific Standard Time, right?
I thought Standard was like the non-daylight savings.
Maybe it is. I have no clue.
I honestly have no idea now.
I have no idea. Thank you, Damon. Appreciate it. A's okay. 4-2. Ken Waldachuk on the mound. Oh no, that's Blackman. Never mind. Waldachuk's been having a solid season, though, I've been looking.
Yeah, Standard Time doesn't start until November 5th.
Oh, I see. What do you think about them abolishing the daylight savings in general?
I think we need to get rid of it.
Think so?
I think it's one of the... no, let me rephrase that. I think Standard Time is one of the worst things in general. I think we need permanent daylight savings time.
I wouldn't mind that either. I do enjoy the periods, though, where it's like...
It irritates me.
I get it. I know what you mean, though. Sometimes I enjoy getting an hour extra. Sometimes losing an hour is not worth it, though. There's a silver foil rookie, by the way. Here's an all-aces insert, Nolan Ryan. Matt Wallner. Randy Rosarena. Carson Kelly. Alex Kirilloff. Nico Horner, Mariano Rivera. Joe Ryan and a Chris Bassett. I don't know. I'm kind of indifferent on it. Like, out of 499, Nick Gordon for the Twins. Christian Walker. Pete Alonso. Mitch Keller for the Pirates. Kodai Sango rookie. There's a Yuri Garcia. Jake Berger. Jared Walsh. Michael Watson. Mark McGuire. Bo Naylor. Spencer Strider. Andrew McCutcheon. Strider out of 72. Second year Spencer Strider for the Braves out of 72. Tony Kemp, Charlie Moore, Nick Allen, Alec Burleson. There's a Luis Severino silver foil for the Yankees. Bobby Dalbec. All right, for the Boston Red Sox, Big Poppy. Game used relic for the Red Sox. Congrats, Michael, getting a David Ortiz Big Poppy relic. One of the greatest clutch hitters ever. Congrats, Michael. Kyle Isbell, Jan Gomes. Miguel Rojas. There's another Big Poppy throwback. Austin Barnes. All right, that's closing out that half. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. Josh Hader. Gene Segura, Craig Kimbrell. Jock Peterson, Andrew Vaughn. Max Myers, Tampa Bay Rays. Garrett Mitchell. Lance Lynn, Whit Merrifield. Logan Webb. There's a Bobby Witt Jr., KC Royals. Freddie Peralta. Eric Haas, Vito Brujan, Corey Kluber. It's a Volpe rookie card for the Yankees. That's a base rookie. Nate Eaton, Hunter Strickland, Michael Lorenzen. There's another Yoshida rookie card. Rice Johnson. Javi Baez, Cole Calhoun, Jackie Bradley, Connor Joe, Ahmed Rosario, Guardians, silver foil. Non-numbered. Josh Bell, Ken Waldachuk rookie. Trey Turner. There is a Verlander gold border for the Mets out of 2023. Nolan Arenado, JD Martinez, and a Charlie Blackmon. There's a Yu Darvish World Baseball Classic inserts. Chad Pinder, Jose Abreu, Jeremy Pena, Corbin Carroll, D-backs base rookie. Kevin Newman, David Fletcher, Spencer Torkelson, Edwin Diaz, Luke Voigt, Ahmed Rosario, Hunter Dozier, Dane Dunning, Jordan Walker rookie card base for the Cardinals. See ya. Legends of the Game, Bob Gibson. Rest in peace, Bob Gibson. Cardinals. And a Jose Accordi. All right, closing out that box. That was halfway through the box. Here we go. Silver pack. Good luck, you guys. David Ortiz, Mike Trout, Michael Massey, rookie for the Royals, and a Julio Urias. That is closing out that box. All right, everybody. Halfway through the break. Good luck, second half. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and check on Heritage, actually, before I get started. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody, 7 teams left in Topps Heritage. I'll go ahead and drop a link in the chat if you guys are interested. There is a link that is for Heritage. That is scheduled next, actually, if you guys are interested. 7 teams left. That break has been discounted multiple times. If you guys are interested, go fill it up. We can get into it as soon as this break is done, by the way. Probably another 25 to 30 minutes of this, and we will be done. We can get right into it if you guys are interested. All right. Bowman is at... 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. Bowman is filling up as well if you guys are interested. I'll post another link for Bowman. Actually, never mind. All right, we are going to keep it rolling. Here we go. Go fill up that Heritage break, though. That is a full case break. Again, that is scheduled right after this break. So if you guys are interested in breaking that ASAP, probably another 25 minutes we can rip. There's only 7 teams left, everybody. 7 teams left. Classic Topps Heritage Baseball. Had some good pulls out of that as well. Haven't ripped it for a couple weeks, but when it did come out, opened a ton of it. Super fun product to rip. A lot of good rookies also. A lot of SPs in that break. A lot of SPs. Radiation rookies, numbered rookies, autos, red autos. About what? Being a free agent? Someone in here was saying some stuff too. What's the consensus? Abolish it? That's funny. This is box number 4, by the way. Box number 4 of 6. This is, again, PYT number 30. By the way, after that Heritage, I also do have a Bowman Hobby full case break. Bowman Hobby. That has been discounted also as well if you guys are interested. Said I was going to drop a link. Let me go ahead and do that here shortly. Go ahead and drop a link for the remaining teams in Bowman Hobby. Again, that break has been heavily discounted. There's a link for Bowman. Full case break. Go check it out. All right, here we go. Good luck. You getting out of here? All right, Dan. Have a good one, man. See ya. Andrew Heaney. Bobby Delbeck. Avisel Garcia. Legends of the Game. David Ortiz. Red Sox. Yusniel Diaz, Martin Maldonado, Lars Newbar. Garrett Mitchell, Josh Jung. Jonathan Scope, Adolis Garcia. Matt Olson, silver foil for the Braves. PJ Higgins. Colton Wong, Astros. There's a Ford Proctor gold foil. Gold border, I should say, for the Giants, Ford Proctor. Sandy Alcantara World Baseball Classics insert. Drew Smiley. Chris Taylor. Jordan Walker, rookie card base for the Cardinals. Adam Aller, Luis Ortiz. Eugenio Suarez. Kodai Senga. Frank Thomas. Ji-Hwan Bae, and a Shohei. All right, we do have a hit coming up here. Good luck, you guys. Here we go. There's a gold border. Michael Toglia, rookie card for the Rockies. Rockies are the last team taken, by the way. Good luck, Rockies, rest of the break. There's a Corbin Carroll. He backs base. Tommy Henry, Cole Irvin. Relic out of 50, Gunnar Henderson. Damn. Orioles. Lisa, congratulations. Out of 50. Player worn mem, Gunnar Henderson. Out of 25 of 50. One of the top rookies, no doubt. Series 1 guy, though. Congratulations. Still getting him in Series 2 as well. Gotta love top Series 1 and 2. Chad Cool, silver foil Rockies. Ahmed Rosario. All right, closing that box out. Rockies getting a solid number of parallels for being the last team, by the way. $9 spot. That's what happens. Last team mojo is a real thing, everybody. It is a real thing. Chris Bassett. Geraldo. Jordan Diaz. Josh Hader. Gene Segura for the Marlins. Craig Kimbrell. David Bednar. Freddie. Brandon Belts. Tampa Bay Rays. Team card is a home run challenge. Chris Bryant's for the Rockies. Speaking of Rockies again. I would encourage you guys, if you do get a home run challenge insert in this, take a shot. Why not? Fill out that home run challenge. You can get an SP out of it, or SSP, depending on how many people call the home run. There's a Nolan Arenado favored sons, Will Brennan. Eric Haas. Whit Merrifield, excuse me. There's a Red Sox. Yoshida rookie card base. Alfonso Rivas, Nate Eaton. Will Benson. J-Rod. Jose Buto. Nelson Cruz, Josh Harrison for the Angels. Evian Soto, rookie card green foil board for the Angels. Congrats. That's out of $4.99, Angels. Another one of the last teams taken. Ezekiel Tovar, silver foil for the Rockies. That is a rookie silver foil. Erickson Profar again. Ronnie Henriquez. All right, last stack. Here we go. Last team's hit, man. Last team's hits. Joe Adell. David Fletcher. Jose Abreu. Jorge Soler. Kerry Carpenter. Nick Castellanos. Oscar Colas, rookie for the White Sox. Have an all aces insert coming up. Good luck. Logan O'Hop. All aces. Sonny Gray for the Twins. And a Javi Baez. All right, let's close right out. There's a Randy Arozarena. Luis Castillo. Jonathan India. And a Ken Waldachuk for the A's rookie card. All right. Closing out that box, everybody. Here we go. Box 5 coming up. Yeah, that's what I mean, man. Last Team Mojo is real. All right, Gary. See ya. I've seen it. I've seen the craziest of it. I've seen last teams hit a case hit, 1 of 1, something crazy. Just when you think, you know, just when you're like, oh man, they're not gonna pull nothing. That's when you pull something, you know. You ever see that graphic? It's like a graphic of a diamond hunter, and he's underground. He's given up. He's like, man, I'm not digging any farther. And then they show behind the dirt. He's like an inch away, just one more hit away. So keep going, man. You know, Last Team Mojo is a real thing. Right when you think there's nothing, that's when there's something popping out. Indeed it is. Seen that same idea. Last pack magic, last card magic. Everybody's got something different, I guess, you know. Over here. Last pack mojo, last spot mojo, last team mojo. All right, everybody, here we go. This is box 5. Good luck, good luck. Tyler Freeman, Rodolfo Castro, Bo Naylor. What up? Andrew Heaney. Adolis Garcia. Ken Griffey Jr. Legends of the game. Suck it.
Not down with that. I got 3 words for you. We pulled it.
Nick Allen. Josh Jung, rookie. Jake McCarthy. Dakota Hudson out of 2023 for the Cardinals. Another one of the last teams taken.
How many more breaks you got?
2.
Heritage?
Heritage and Bowman Hobby.
On Saturday, I'll probably give you like 6 breaks.
Okay, for sure. Saturday. Logan O'Hop. All right, here we go. Joe Adell, Jeff McNeil. Jordan Walker, rookie card base for the Cardinals. Nonetheless, Damon, there is magic in that last spot. Last something. There's a Geraldo Peronimo D-backs And a Corbin Carroll D-backs pace rookie right behind it. Kevin Newman. Ryan Reynolds. There's an Alec Burleson silver foil rookie for the Cardinals. Walker Buehler. PJ Higgins. Carlos Perez. Auto. Greg Wieserts. Yankees. Look at that stash, baby. Yankee spot. That one popped up on me. G Storms. Congrats. Getting a Stars Greg Wiesert rookie card. That is out of 199, by the way. Congratulations. That is the first auto of the break, by the way. Congrats. Yankee spots. All right. Let's keep it going. Let's pull another auto. Got one more box. Mike Trout. Chad Cool. Good luck, good luck. Here we go, last stack. Second to last stack, I should say. Then we'll get into that last box of the break. Martin Maldonado, Daniel Lynch, Yordan Alvarez, David Bednar, Randy Arozarena, Craig Kimbrell. Home Run Challenge, Phillies. PJ Higgins. Keegan Aiken. Favorite Sons, Ali Rutschman, rookie card base. That's not a base, excuse me. That is a Favorite Sons insert. Shout out to Oregon. Love Oregon.
Like the state?
Like the States. You ever been there?
No.
Opie rookie card. Yeah, man. They fill up your gas. No state tax.
Jersey too.
Oh, in Jersey? That's cool. Anthony Rizzo.
They also don't serve alcohol in Jersey either.
Silver foil for the Brew Crew. Non-rookie. Lou Gehrig. Josh Hader.
Gabe's starting tomorrow.
Yoshida, rookie card base for the Red Sox. All right, we did get a Topps Now coupon card.
Well, you're going to need a big list.
Wait, which hard series 90% is toilet paper? Wait, which series, Damon, are you referring to? I'll have to random this, by the way, at the end of this box between all 30 teams. I will random. Jesus Aguilar, Brendan Belts, Trey Turner, Connor Joe, Nathan Eovaldi, Jordan Diaz, Whit Merrifield, Royce Lewis, Xander Bogaerts, Freddie Peralta. Hey, Gavin, welcome in. That break, if that one's breaking, it's going to be on the Mojo Break channel, the main Mojo Break channel, Gavin. I'm not sure if it broke already. I think Greg might have actually broken it, and it should be posted on Mojo Break. If not, should be breaking later. I know Conrad is starting up here soon. Yeah. I think it's for a particular collector, though, Damon. You know, like a lot of people, a lot of baseball card collectors specifically like to set collect, team collect. Just get paper rookies. It makes sense. They got Topps does a little bit of something for everybody, you know. I think that's what their main objective behind just Series 1 and 2 is. Yu Darvish. All right, here we go. Silver pack, and then I will randomize it. No, yeah, I might have missed it live, Gavin, but like I said, it might be on, it's probably on the main Mojo Break channel. Just type in Mojo Break. Should be the first thing that comes up. I think we got it's the channel with like 18,000 subs. If Greg broke it already, it should be posted, but yeah. Well, there's a Jordan Diaz. Will Brennan for the Guardians, rookie Alec Manoah, and an Ozzy Albies. All right, everybody. Going to go ahead and random. Give me a second. All right, it is a PYT. We're only going to randomize 3 times. PYT top team after 3 is getting the Topps Now card. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. All right, Padres spot. That was 3 times. Padres. All right, everybody. Here we go. Last box of the break coming up. Damon is honing us in here. Come on. Let's go, Gavin. Oh, Gavin, are you in this break too, though? Good luck, man. Good luck. I don't know if you are now, but good luck nonetheless. Good luck in that random team break if you are in that team hall prism. All right, everybody. Last box of the break. Let me check on Heritage. Let you guys know how many teams are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams left, everybody. 5 teams left. Speaking of Chuck E. Cheese, heard they're going through a redesign or a rebrand or something. Hey, you know what? I don't know how it is in the Midwest, Damon, but out here, Chuck E. Cheese pizza is not half bad, man. Not half bad. Not even going to lie. Never know, man. Hey. Good luck, good luck. Let's get an auto. Last box auto. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, there's only a handful over here. Only a handful. Sparingly. They are sparingly. There are few and far between nowadays. Oh, Gavin, that was you. Yeah, so it's a coupon card. It's a coupon card. You type in that. I'll show you again. Here we go. You received a MLB Topps Now coupon card. Hey, you called your shot before. Let's see. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. Last box of the break. Good luck, everybody. Mackenzie Gore, Luke Voits, Chris Bassett. James Outman, Chris Bubik, Christian Walker, Jose Suarez. Keegan Aiken, Craig Kimbrell. There's a home run challenge. Adley. Is that a rookie, though? Home run challenge, Adley? Is it a rookie? Kind of, but kind of not at the same time. I don't know. It's like a coupon rookie. Logan Webb. All aces insert. Here we go. Kevin Gausman for the Blue Jays. Max Myers, Marlins. Brandon Belts. AJ Pollock. Volpe rookie card for the Yankees. Bobby Dalbec. Justin Turner. Royce Lewis. Yoshida rookie card base for the Red Sox. Sturdy Ruiz. There's a Chris Bubik again. Silver foil for the Royals. With Merrifield. Corey Kluber again out of 2023. Josh Jung. Erickson Profar. Julio Urias. Jackie Bradley. Jose Buto. Longoria. TJ Friedel, Ken Waldachuk, Ty France, Willie Castro, Michael Kopech, Jeff McNeil, Nolan Arenado, Oscar Colas, Taylor Hearn, Jose Abreu, Chad Pinder. Significant stats, Aroldis Chapman, Kike Hernandez, and a Freddie Tarnock for the A's, closing out that half. All right. People do indeed. They forget. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. Nick Allen, Spencer Strider, Rodolfo Castro, Bryce Johnson, Felix Bautista, Zach Wheeler. There's a Lars Nootbaar silver foil. Favorite sons, Michael Harris II for the Braves. Luis Ortiz. Tejon Walker, Will Smith, Avisel Garcia. Yeah. I do see potentially an auto. It's a thin card. We'll see. We'll see. You never know. Nico Horner, Carlos Santana. Luis Liberato, SSP, Gabe again. Damn. Gavin L in the chat, getting an SSP rookie, super short printed rookie. Luis Liberato, congrats again, Gavin. Padres. Walker Buehler, Jonathan Scope, Adolis Garcia, Victor Reyes, Ronald Acuna Jr., Ahmed Rosario, Kevin Newman, Miguel Rojas, DL Hall rookie, Matt Wallner, Elias Diaz, Dane Dunning, Fernando Valdez, Jordan Walker, base rookie, Carson Kelly, Jonathan India, Chris Taylor, Kodai Senga, Dylan Carlson. All right. Blue DL Hall, Orioles. All right. Casey Mize, Austin Riley. Rodolfo Castro for the Pirates, silver foil. Damon. All right. Vaughn Grisham, Major League material for the Braves. Rookie card Braves. There we go. Just a couple, I think, Gavin. Just a couple. Austin Nola. All right, here we go. Good luck, you guys. Last pack of the break, actually. Here we go. Okay, we do have a backwards card. Maybe auto. Maybe it's a numbered card. We will get there. Good luck. Ichiro. Okay, well, here's this Sonny Gray. All right. Corbin Burns. 5 of 5. Corbin Burns. Brewers. Dang. The Cy Young winner. Corbin Burns. Brew Crew out of 5. Sheesh. Tyler Stewart. Congratulations. Corbin Burns. That is 5 of 5. Brew Crew. Right on the jerseys. You told them. All right, everybody. That was the last card of the break. Here we go. That's closing it out. All right, everybody. Thank you guys all again for tuning in. That was the break. That was 2023 Top Series 2 Hobby. 6-box break. That was PYT number 30. Once again, thank you guys all for tuning in. Congrats to all the hitters. All right.